You've been asking how to use NordVPN on Windows, so I've prepared a simple 10-step tutorial. By the end of this video, you'll be an expert on all there is to know about downloading and setting up NordVPN on Windows. Before we can start the NordVPN Windows setup, you'll need to get a subscription. To get access to the best NordVPN discount, I've left you a QR code on screen and a link in the description that both apply an exclusive discount at checkout. You can customize the length of your plan between 1 month, 1 year, or 2 years, and since there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, the app is risk-free to test for a month. Regardless of the plan, you can use NordVPN on 10 devices simultaneously, and while there are multiple affordable plans to choose from, the complete tier offers an excellent price-to-value ratio. It not only includes the VPN itself, but also anti-malware protection, an ad blocker, and even a password manager. Now that you've bought a subscription, I'll show you how to install NordVPN on PC. If you follow the link in the description, you'll be directed to the download page right away. Then, follow the pop-up prompts to install it on your computer. Next, open NordVPN and log in as you would with any other account. When logging in, you'll be redirected to the NordVPN Account page in your browser, where you'll need to log into your account. So go ahead and enter your email and password directly into the Nord account page. Before we move on to exploring features, a crucial step in this NordVPN setup tutorial is safeguarding yourself from the get-go. The best way to do this is to turn on multi-factor authentication in account settings. After clicking Manage MFA, you'll be prompted to verify your email address through a code. Now, hit the Setup button next to the Authenticator app tab and either scan the QR code that pops up or manually enter the key. Save everything to the Authenticator app and click Continue from the Nord account website and enter the MFA code generated by the Authenticator app. The final step is to save all the backup codes and hit Continue. After safeguarding your account with MFA, the next step in our NordVPN Windows tutorial is connecting to a server. There are 3 main ways to do this. The first is by hitting the Secure My Connection button on the main dashboard, which then automatically connects you to the closest and fastest server. The second option is to click on All Locations, scroll through the full list of countries, and press the one you prefer. Some have an arrow on them that allows you to even select specific cities within that country. The final connection method is to type in the name of the country or city into the search bar. It's super convenient, and since NordVPN offers 220 worldwide locations, there are plenty of options to choose from. Now that you've mastered connecting to a standard server, let's take a look at how to use NordVPN specialty servers. These are designed to enhance specific areas of your online experience, and you'll find them located under the All Locations window. The dedicated IP option is a paid add-on that provides you access to an IP address for your exclusive use, which also reduces the risk of server blacklisting and reduces the number of CAPTCHAs you see. The double VPN is designed to add an extra layer of encryption and security while surfing the net by routing your connection through an additional server. If you're looking for increased privacy without needing the Tor network entirely, then connecting to the Onion over VPN server does this by combining your VPN connection with the Tor network. And since the obfuscated servers disguise your VPN usage as regular network traffic, it's a great option when you need to bypass restrictions and censorship. Remember, to get all of NordVPN's protection on your PC at a price that you won't find on their official site, be sure to check out via our link in the description. Alright, my next step, I'll show you how to customize your NordVPN on Windows experience even more by changing the protocol. From Settings, navigate to Connection and Security, then VPN Protocol. For the smoothest experience, I generally advise keeping it on the Recommended option. But if you ever run into connectivity issues, then switching protocols can help. The default choice NordLynx uses WireGuard technology, making it the fastest protocol of the bunch. Or you can change to NordWhisper when you need access to restrictive networks while maintaining security. The NordVPN Windows app also lets you configure the settings to suit your preferences. For example, if you navigate to the Auto Connect tab under Connection and Security, you can now adjust certain VPN connection rules, such as when NordVPN launches or on untrusted Wi-Fi networks. Then the kill switch is designed to block your internet traffic if the VPN drops, therefore preventing your IP address or data from being leaked. You can apply this across all traffic or select specific apps. To further protect specific sites and apps, the split tunneling feature lets you whitelist which ones use the VPN for Windows and which are routed around it. For example, you can protect your browser with the VPN while allowing banking apps to connect directly to the network instead. And one of the most proactive steps you can take in today's NordVPN Windows tutorial is to enable scam, phishing, and malware protection. While the VPN hides and encrypts your traffic, these tools act as extra armor to actively stop dangerous content scams from reaching you. To enable them, go to the second tab on the left and navigate to the Next Gen Antivirus feature. Once you've enabled the antivirus scan, as well as the anti-malware toggles, this feature now blocks scams, phishing, and malware while you browse, whether you're connected to the VPN or not. What's more, it even checks links and websites for fake logins and scam pages, scans downloaded files for malware, and blocks many ads and tracking scripts for safer browsing. You can also paste any suspicious messages or screenshots into the scam checker feature, and it'll inform you if it seems like a scam, phishing attempt, or fake offer. Additionally, you can find NordVPN's unique Meshnet feature under the third tab on the left. With this one, you're able to remotely link devices, access them securely, and route traffic through other devices. Moving on to the tab next to Meshnet, you'll find Dark Web Monitoring. I highly suggest activating it too, as it then monitors the dark web to see if your email address or personal data have been leaked. The basic plan offers basic monitoring, however, the complete plan includes the Pro version, which lets you monitor up to 8 email addresses, your social security number, and more. If you run into any connectivity issues or troubleshooting that I didn't already cover in today's NordVPN tutorial, then I have some go-to tips. First, check your internet connection or try switching to a different server. If you still have trouble, then restart NordVPN and your PC and change your protocol to OpenVPN TCP, which can work better on restrictive networks. You can also use the diagnostic/reset option, but if all else fails, then NordVPN's live customer support is available 24/7 to help. Remember, you can get all of this protection for yourself at an exclusively low price by using our discount links below. Look, overall, understanding how to use NordVPN on Windows is quick, simple, and a powerful way to protect your privacy and security online. If you have any more questions, be sure to leave them below for me, and I'll see you in the next video.